Toncoin shows a potential 2.3% gain by tomorrow, per 30 rates. Before we begin, let's take a moment to look at the chart. Toncoin has shown a 1.4% rise in the past 24 hours and is hovering near $1.92. Let's review the analysts' latest outlooks. 30 rates sees the price reaching $1.98 tomorrow, representing an increase of about 2.3%. Toncoin might move up to $1.95, according to Gov Capital Collector. That's roughly 1% up. Crypto Predictions notes the price could advance to $1.94, marking an increase close to 0.4%. A separate analysis by CoinCodex suggests Toncoin could retreat toward $1.91, roughly 1% lower. And last but not least, Digital Coin Price expects the value at $1.84 by tomorrow, 4.8% below current price. This is the top return forecast. We've gone through 5 forecasts for tomorrow. Let's see what comes next. Let's move from the forecast to the numbers behind them. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a drop of 4.8% and a gain of 2.3%, depending on the analyst. This means Digital Coin Price comes in with the top forecast with 4.8% gain in value by June 2. Considering all forecasts, you could realize between $4 and $48 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, Crypto Predictions leads with a 98.3% chance of success. Taking into account all 5 forecasts, I've put together one overall consensus scenario. Consensus positioning shows Toncoin trading near $1.92. Let's walk through the details. Consensus evaluation shows a 0.4% move down. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 0.4%. With 1,000 as a base, the numbers might indicate $4 gained. So the chance of the consensus forecast playing out stands near 98.3%. To get a clearer view, let's see how analysts anticipate the next 3 days. 30 rates suggest the market will keep pressing upward. Gov Capital Collector anticipates downward movement in the near term. Crypto Predictions describes the trajectory as climbing steadily. The short-term stance from CoinCodex is also optimistic. Digital Coin Price points to further weakness. With analysts in broad agreement, the consensus highlights upward momentum for Toncoin. In summary, most forecasts align on a bullish view, suggesting Toncoin could continue trending higher in the near term. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we compare them with yesterday's outcome. As a result, the price eventually moved to $1.90. The outcome showed that just a minority got the market's direction correct. The highest accuracy outlook was delivered by CoinDataFlow. Let's go through the outcome piece by piece. Yesterday's candle aligned with only one forecast. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts delivered profits, led by coin price forecast at 7.9%. Here's the recap. All outcomes combined into one table. Recorded values for coin price forecast, 97.5% forecast probability, $0.12 accuracy, and 7.9% ROI. Can you tell which analyst came the closest to reality? Here's how Toncoin measures up against the forecasted gains for tomorrow across other cryptocurrencies. Arbitrum shows the strongest forecast at 3.7% and Toncoin ranks below. What you see here is a sample of 5 coins, and broader profitability comparisons can already be found on my website. That's all. Subscribe so you can track which forecasts stand the test of time. Stay well and see you tomorrow.